Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Andrew Accuser Virginia Giuffre's injuries may not have all been caused by crash, as mystery deepens on Shock Post. The mystery surrounding Virginia Giuffre's horror hospital post has deepened, after her brother suggested her injuries may not have been solely caused by the school bus crash. The Prince Andrew Accuser sparked alarm after posting a bruised snap from her hospital bed, claiming she had just 4 days to live following a 110 kmph smash in Perth, Western Australia. The shocking photo showed her lying in bed covered in bruises, with Virginia begging to see her children one last time. She also said she was suffering from kidney failure and was being transferred to a specialist unit. But her brother Sky Roberts has now cleared up the 4-day claim and dropped a bombshell about her condition. He told People, "Let us be clear, she never stated in the bus accident the cause of all her other injuries." Sky confirmed doctors had told his sister she would have died within 4 days had she not received medical treatment, not that she had just days to live. And in a revelation that raises fresh questions over what really happened, Sky added, "Nobody ever said her liver issues and kidney failure were ever from that. We still don't know if it is. I'm not a medical professional. That's up to her doctor to determine." Sky said while he doesn't know what happened internally to her, the bruising shown in the viral photo is consistent with a car crash. His comments come after cops cast doubt over Virginia's account, logging the crash as a minor traffic incident with no injuries reported at the time. Parents of kids on board the school bus also hit out at the claims, calling her version of events lies and sick. Virginia, 41, had claimed in her since-deleted post that she was being transferred to a urology unit for kidney failure, adding, "They've given me 4 days to live." She begged to see her children one last time, in a post that shocked fans and reignited interest in the woman who helped bring down Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell. But critics were quick to point out inconsistencies, with the bus driver, passengers, and even her own car's driver all contradicting her version of events. The driver of Virginia's car, Cheryl Sasella, 71, said, "I'm sure Virginia will release a statement soon to clear it all up. I'm not covering for her. I'm not implicated in a cover-up." And a mum whose 3 kids were on the bus said, "It's lies. I don't know what she is trying to get from all of it, but I do feel bad for her and I hope she gets help." Adding fuel to the fire, Virginia had been charged just 10 days before the crash with breaching a family violence restraining order and is due back in court on April 9. She entered no plea during her March 14 appearance at Joondalup Magistrates Court. A spokesperson said Virginia is marginally better but still in serious condition, following treatment in Perth. The US-born mum of 3 has been living a reclusive life in rural Western Australia after separating from husband Robert Giuffre earlier this year. The couple, who married just 10 days after meeting, had been together for 22 years but reportedly split amid a toxic breakdown. Robert, who remains in the family home with their 3 children, was separately charged with inadequate gun storage and reckless driving over the past year. Virginia's family have voiced fears over her well-being, with Sky telling People she was very depressed and in really bad shape. "She's only 41, she's got a lot of life to live," he added. Virginia sued Prince Andrew in 2021, claiming she was trafficked and forced to have sex with the Duke on 3 occasions when she was a teen. The royal has always denied the allegations, but settled out of court in 2022, reportedly paying millions to avoid a humiliating trial. Breaking her silence in a statement this week, Virginia said, "I was able to fight back against Ghislaine Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein, who abused and trafficked me. I can no longer stay silent." She added, "Again, I thank everyone for their support." Virginia Roberts, now Virginia Giuffre, 41, is an American-Australian campaigner and a prominent victim of the sex trafficking ring of Jeffrey Epstein. She has made claims against Prince Andrew, the Duke of York, as well as Brit socialite Ghislaine Maxwell, Jeffrey Epstein's ex-lover. Giuffre alleged in court documents that she was procured by Maxwell, 63, the daughter of disgraced tycoon Robert Maxwell, as a teenage sex slave for Epstein. She released a manuscript just hours before Epstein's death, which added to more than 2,000 documents of a lawsuit pending against the former financier and his pals. The legal documents were released in a defamation case involving Giuffre, who has claimed in court documents that Prince Andrew slept with her 3 times. In 2019, Virginia Roberts has claimed that she had sex with Prince Andrew in a toilet when she was 17, after a night where he had allegedly been plying her with vodka in a posh London club. On February 15, 2022, it was announced that Prince Andrew settled the lawsuit, sparing him a humiliating court battle.